This method I'm going to show you today utilizes a free traffic website that has over 1 million users visit each and every month. These can also then be turned into potential customers. Obviously, the first place we need to head to is Clickbank. This is where we'll be finding our product that we're going to be promoting today. If you're searching for this video, then I'm sure you know what Clickbank is already, but for those of you who don't know, Clickbank is an affiliate marketing website that has hundreds of different products, e-products, and much more for you to sell without holding any stock. This is also only using affiliate links. Clickbank is just one of the many that you can choose from. I like using Clickbank the most as it's easy to navigate around their website as well as quickly finding your affiliate link as well. Some products also offer huge commission percentages, upwards of 50% is a standard with Clickbank. So to get all set up, we need to head to the top and first sign up. We can either log on if you already have an account or start here. You just have to go through a few personal questions. Once that's done, it's very quick. You can then move on. Once we're then logged on, we can come look at their marketplace. So now we're in the marketplace. The product that we want to be using as an example today is called Energy Bracelet. So if you search that in the top search bar, this is then going to come up with the products underneath. There'll be a few, but the one we're going to be using is this top one here. If we go through and have a look at their landing page by clicking this, so now on their landing page, this is then what customers are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. If you come down slightly, you'll see there are two packages that they do. A customer can buy the healing book and DVD for absolutely free. So this then doesn't include the bracelet, however. So right from the start, they can decide what type of package they want. This one, like I said, has the book, the healing meditation, and a 7-day trial, which is then free, but it doesn't obviously include the bracelet. If they want the bracelet, it's then $15.99. So this here is the pop-up that will appear as soon as they kind of jump on the page. If you leave that, this is then the landing page that they'll see without that. And if you come down to order now, you'll see that it's $15.99 if you don't have the pop-up. As well as this, including the first two deals, once a lead clicks through either of them, they will then be taken through multiple upsells, which most of the time they will add a few of these as well. As you can see, over on the average commissions received, it's $244. So most of the time people are adding the upsells when they're purchasing and not just using the $15.99. So now what we need to do is grab our affiliate link for the next step. To do that, you press promote. It'll come up with this here. Then you want to press the new free shipping and then press create hot links, and it will come up here, so you can then copy and paste that, or then just keep this tab open, which we can use later. So now that we have that, I can now show you your free traffic source that has over 1 million monthly users on it. As you can see, they're averaging 1.7, 1.4, 1.6, almost 2 million a month, which means more people can be potentially looking at your affiliate deal that you're about to promote. The website that we're looking at is called Classified Ads. This is a website that's used to create free ads on the site, which can then be seen by all these millions of people, which can be extremely powerful for an affiliate marketer. As well as this site, I can show you another website later, which is then going to find a similar website to this for us to then promote the same link over 50 times. This is then going to increase our chances on more and more profit. I'll come to that after this. So first, if you just watch this now, we can then come to it later and I can show you how that works. So now in classified ads, you'll see that you have hundreds of different categories for which you can promote an ad in each of these. So for our product, we'd either use something like jewelry or maybe health and wellness. I would suggest using both, but the health and wellness may do better in this case, as the main thing being promoted is the mindfulness DVD and upsells like that. But still, try both, as you can do both for free anyway. To get started making an ad, if you click on post an ad, it's then going to bring you to this page. This is where you can then start building out your ad for the affiliate product. So the category was services, subcategory was then health and wellness. And for the location, this can be your actual address if you want to. If not, you can just generate a random address. So for now, I'm just going to generate a random address and use that for this step. So now I've added in these top 3 bits. We can now start filling out our title, the asking price, and the description. This can be done very simply by just copying and pasting each part from the landing page we just had up. For the title, use the product obviously, which is then the Crystal Healing Book and Healing Meditation. Also make sure to add that there's a free giveaway as well, and also mention that it's free shipping, so something like that. You'd need the free giveaway and free shipping, as that's going to be our hook for people to see for for them to then click through to our ad. For our asking price, this is obviously going to be 0 as it's free initially, and then we're going to be making money through our upsells. Then down in the description, we then need something that doesn't give too much away, but makes people want to go through to our landing page, which is what we had earlier, for them to then be using our affiliate link. So something like this would be quite good. Obviously, make sure this is all changed so it's all the same font, as we don't want to be describing the actual product. We want people going through our link first, then understand what the product does. Because as soon as they're on our link, if they don't want to purchase, then that's fine. If they do, then whatever purchase they make through our link is what we get paid with. So from here, we need to add our affiliate link. So head back into Clickbank, press promote, find the link. And before we then add it into this description, we then want to go to bit.ly to then shorten our link. So add it in here and then press shorten. This here is then our link that's then shortened, that makes it look slightly nicer. So just copy that and then add that here. And then now we've done that, add that to the description. Make sure it's obvious that then that's the link that people need to click. And to make sure this is a link as well that people can click rather than just normal words, highlight the text, press this button here, and then add that link again to this part. Then press OK, and that is now then a clickable link. Then once you've done that to your description, add all this relevant information, just about personal information. It's quite quick to do so. And then right down at the bottom of the page, you'll see that you have the opportunity to add an image for the ads too. This is a hugely important part, so make sure you find something very related to the product using their landing page again. Again, this is the product. So if we save this image here and then press choose file, find the product image and add it. Now I know this ad is obviously for the one without the bracelet, but if you did want to, you could then do a whole nother ad as well, including the bracelet, see what one works. But once you've filled all that out, press post this ad, and then it will be added to their website. Once the ad's posted, it will then come out looking like this. A customer then has the opportunity to respond to this ad, which generally wouldn't happen with this type of product unless they have some questions, of course. Or most of the time what will happen is you'll find people just go through your affiliate link and then purchase the product from there. This will then obviously go to the landing page like this and you can buy it. Now, if you're ready to do this strategy, then great. I can now show you how you're going to hugely increase your profits by finding similar sites to this one that do exact same things with millions of monthly users. So if we head to a website called sitelike.org, here you'll then be able to enter the site's name. So if you put that in now, so using classified ads, it will then bring up loads of other websites that are exactly the same as the site we were just on. So you can see there's 77 different results. So that's 77 times you can replicate that same ad in all of these different websites, which still also get millions of people visiting. Some may have less than 1 million users, but they could still potentially bring you in more and more money if you utilize all of them. All you have to do is click this little button here and it will open the website, and then make sure you just copy and paste your ad that you've done before and then post it over on there. You have the opportunity to use every single one of these. Some may work, some may not do too well, but if you post into 77 different ones, you have a great opportunity to earn quite a lot of money. This is a great way for you to start earning an online income. If you want to watch some of my other YouTube videos, then make sure to subscribe so you can then see some of the other methods that are working today.